Hello everyone and welcome to live show, the live talk show with Monica Kapoor. A live show, your first question that would have come across your mind, that live shows are actually for the celebrities, isn't it? No. We too, we the people at Instagram, we the people who have risen up to our talent, those who have a dare to follow their heart, they are also celebrities. Somebody started reciting, writing, reading poetry at the age of 40 plus, someone like me. Someone opted out for the hobby of the love of photography, dancing, singing, and they have followed their heart. They too are celebrities. If real celebrities are an inspiration, so are those people who have the guts to follow their heart and those who followed it with all their might. So this program, this little talk show that I have started is for all those people who have done their bit to follow their dreams. They had their trials, they had their tribulations, they have their success and failure stories. But yes, they can inspire us. So this is a little effort from my side and I hope you guys are going to support me for this. And I'll call upon all my little Instagram family out here, those who are interested to share their stories, to come and join me here at this show, which will commence on Saturdays and Sundays at evening 5 p.m. sharp. So today our first guest is a very close friend. Our friendship is now more than 2 decades long. She has been an inspiration for me as well, and she's somebody I really look up to. And for my first ever interview, I actually wanted her here. So I'll just what shall I say? I'll just tell you 4 lines because I'm a writer. You can't stop a writer from speaking out her heart. So, आज बहारों ने रुक किया है इधर, आज बहारों ने रुक किया है इधर, देखिए तो गुल ही गुल खिले हैं यहाँ, देखिए तो गुल ही गुल खिले हैं यहाँ, बड़ी महफिल सजी है दोस्तों की, कि पुराने दोस्त आज मिले हैं यहाँ. So I think I'll have to wait for her. She's not here as such. Anybody has a question to ask, anybody has a suggestion for me, I'll be more than happy to answer. So with this, I would like to say that we start this journey this is the first episode of this journey. We start it with much love from you, all those who are here present as a live audience. Thank you so much. Ashish, Anubhav, Anjali Agrawal, thank you for being a part of this live thing. And thank you Anubhav, thank you so much. So I have to wait for my friend Soulful Ritu. As you all know, she's a writer, she's an HR personnel, and we did chemical engineering together, and we have our own beautiful stories, the stories of friendship, the stories of a great camaraderie, and this friendship has actually stood by the time. So I'm just waiting for her. Okay, she's here. I think my dear friend is here. Okay, she's there and she's going to join us. She's connecting. Ritu, we can't see you.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
hi.
Hi. So we welcome everybody. Please put your hands together for this beautiful girl who is my dearest friend, who is my soulmate. So let's welcome her.
Hi, Monica, and hi, everyone who is watching us together first time live on Insta.
So this is an applause for you, Ritu.
Hey, so such a nice experience it is. I
Yeah.
loved it
If
totally.
IPL can have a fake applause, why can't we have?
It's wonderful. I never thought that this will happen on your show. So, first of
Okay.
all, congratulations for your this lively coming up show. I mean, for
Thank you.
which I'm here for as a first guest. So many
Thank you. Thank you for
congratulations, and
being
I'm very
my
happy.
thank you for being my inspiration. You inspired me to start this. And Ritu, I want to tell you that you have been my inspiration since 2 decades.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have told me many times, but I don't know whether I should say this here. But I have told you many times earlier also that it's a mutual admiration type of thing, which many people might not like us doing it here, but it's the truth. So it's like we have been force behind each other's. I mean, whatever steps we have taken in life, and
Yeah.
we cherish our friendship like
Yeah,
I think
and
nobody else
guys,
can.
see, we have this habit of wearing the same clothes. When we were in hostel, we used to plan it before which color we are going
Yeah.
to wear the next day, and in front of everyone, oh, it's just coincidence.
Coincidence.
We had the same cups for the tea. Tea actually
Yeah,
tea actually bound us well. So, chalo,
it's
let's
truth.
start Ritu this interaction. Firstly, our first part, that's the first part of our interview, is say na something about yourself. We know something about you, but that's our what we see in this small world of Instagram. But we want to know what real Ritu Sharma is.
Okay, while you know what I am, but
Yeah.
let the world also know what I am.
Yes. Yes.
So I will just say that it starts with my name, which my parents have kept for me, Ritu. So as you know, Ritu means seasons. So
Yeah.
I do change like seasons, and who else knows better than you? You have seen many shades of me. Rather seasons. So sometimes I'm happy, sometimes I'm sad. So as you know that life would have been boring if our emotions won't change. So as a human being also, I mean, emotions are very important,
Yeah.
and honestly, that only makes me a poet today. So so I would just narrate 4 lines that I have written for myself.
Yeah.
Just like
Yeah.
a raindrop, just like a raindrop, immediately I change. Okay,
Okay.
so like
Beautiful.
raindrop falls from the sky and
Yeah.
it converts into water. So something like that. Just like a raindrop, immediately I change. Sometimes I feel like a ocean, and next moment a hurricane. So these are the
Wow,
four
that's
lines I've
so
written for
beautiful.
myself.
That's such a beautiful short, but a perfect definition for Ritu Sharma. I must say that.
Yeah, you know more than anybody else. And
Yes.
so before I talk about myself, I want to dedicate one poem for you. So which I had written, keeping you in mind.
Thank you so
So
much.
I, so sometime back, if you remember, when we started writing on that writing platform called Miraki. So
Yes.
I think third or fourth write-up which I had written was for you. I think I told you also that time that she's living a dream, she's chasing it, and she will live forever. So these three lines, something like this I had written, but now today I have a dedicated poem for you, which I
Thank
have
you
also
so much.
posted somewhere. So actually, this exactly suits you. So I thought to dedicate it to you today here.
Yeah.
So it goes like this. She doesn't get tired, never she repents. I know you are an engineer, you could not follow the engineer dreams, but you have set your own dreams and which you are chasing and following. So from there it inspires. She doesn't get tired, never she repents. Working day and night is her only strength. Her children look at her and often wonder. I'm sure Dhruv must be here, he must be hearing. Her children look at her and often wonder, is she our mother or really a superwoman? She carries vivacious aura wherever she goes, always works with a zeal, standing on her toes. She is a zephyr of cool, fragrant air who freshens up whomever she swirls. So I know whoever you have touched in the life, he or she must understand these lines. So she is the zephyr of cool, fragrant air who freshens up whomever she swirls. In spite of many hard times during the day, she still manages to laugh and sway. She still manages to laugh and sway. So
That's beautiful,
dedicated to you.
and really, really touched my heart.
I loved it. That makes it much more special, the entire show.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, Ritu, about your poetic journey. Since I know you once in the hostel, I know you, and I would like to tell people she's just a shy, sweet, little, simple, spectacled girl uh, who had so many admirers. I had to keep check of them all the time since being being her best friend. So that time she used to write, but I think between both of us, we knew we had nothing like wanted to become poet or any poetic that time inclination in us. So how
Yeah.
actually you came into poetic world, Ritu? I really love something about your poems, that is they are written with heart. You pour your heart in your poetry. So how you actually thought, now I'm going to write?
So if you ask me honestly, that all started with Miraki, where you have introduced me. So I had forgotten completely that I used to write. And one fine day, I don't know from where, I must tell everybody who is listening to us that she's got an amazing memory. I mean, I'm only afraid of one thing being here on this show, that she might ask me, Ritu, you remember that? And I will be like clueless. Oh, acha, aisa hua tha kya? So this is the only thing which I'm fearing today. I remember that once you came up with one of the write-ups that I had written during the college days, somewhere on the Facebook you had posted and tagged me there. Yeah. And from there, everything started. You said that there is this app, so you start writing there. While you know that I cannot put a lot of efforts into writing right now, as I'm a full-time working professional, and also I have 2 kids to take care. And so that's why I am not giving full-time time to writing as of now. But yeah, it's all started with again your motivation to me, that yaad karo tum kabhi likhti thi. So that's how I started again. And luckily at that time I was on a career break, and I could start writing, and it really helped. And if you remember, we had another dream project which we started. Yes. Our first book with a few writers. So that made I can't say I ever had a dream to be a poet, but that made it as a very enriching hobby for me, which makes me creative. So that's how I started. Yeah.
Very nice. Thankfully, you started writing. We are really.
Yeah. So also I wanted to tell that for me, like, writing poetry is something that you're in the state of meditation. So because
Yeah.
it soothes your mind's chaotic thoughts.
Yes.
So you
Yes.
put them together and give it a shape, and then that's how a new thing is born. So that's called poetry. So
Yes.
that's how I would say that that's why I got into poetry. Yeah.
Yes. And I would like to tell our audience that Ritu has been part of many anthologies. She's a beautiful writer. And in a coming few years, she'll be taking up her soul book. I am sure she'll do it. Abhi, she's busy with her own job, with her kids, but it's on the way. I'm pretty sure of it. And now, Ritu,
Yeah.
what would you share with us today, your poetry? Firstly, I would definitely like to hear your Married Girl series. While you wrote those series
Okay.
on Miraki, I really used to wait for that because they were simply magic. So would you
Okay.
start with that, or would you break it afterwards? You have something in mind, but we really want to listen some beautiful poetries from this beautiful, beautiful girl. She's always a girl.
Okay, I'll start with. That's why I gave name also to my series as Married Girl. So a girl will always remain a girl, whether married or unmarried. So
Yes.
that's how actually this name also came to my mind. So I'll start with that only, because even before coming to this show, I was talking to one or two people, and Gitanjali Kapoor, as she's a very known writer among all the
She'll
writers of
join me tomorrow.
Miraki.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's there tomorrow with you. So she told, why don't you talk about your Married Girl series? So I thought, okay, I'll start with that only. So let me just start that.
Yeah. I
Uh,
really loved that and waited for that. So would really love to hear that.
So I don't know, few of things might have got inspired into my writing through my own experiences, but some I have seen outside world where the married girl gets, lot of, problems in life. Still, she comes out very lively, and she comes out as a very positive person.
Yeah.
I will just read out 2-3 of those, and these are 2-3 liners. So I hope everybody will be with us. I'm not going to narrate the whole series. So first goes like this. She juggles between her career and hobby, keeping family as her only priority.
Yes.
So you should see that career and hobby are also not any, among that, even the family is not even an option. That is her priority.
That is
so
right.
That is how, yeah. So second goes like this. 3 things on her mind always: cooking, nurturing, and shopping. So this also, I am sure most of the women
Everybody
can resonate with this. Yeah. And many people, working women who have joined us, will be able to get some kind of
They can relate to it.
relation. Yeah. So weekend has arrived with a big to-do list. Weekend has arrived with a big to-do list. Something I forgot to mention there. Something I forgot to mention there. It's me time for me. It's me time for me. Achha, something I have written for the people who are not full-time career women, but still they are managing lots of stuff at home and among the kids and all. So, what time shall I leave home to pick up kids from the classes? So might be you can relate to it.
Yes.
What time shall I leave? I remember those days when you used to pick up. I don't know now, everybody's online classes, but still.
Yeah.
So what time shall I leave home to pick up kids for the classes? Should I buy veggies before taking mom for eye checkup, or before that I should finish cooking lunch? So brainstorming doesn't happen in the boardrooms only. It's like every woman's mind has a boardroom.
Yeah. So beautiful.
So I think, yeah, these are the few things that I had written. I am sure many people related to it at that moment of time. I stopped writing too much in the last few months, so I will continue soon. Last one I will just narrate. She camouflages her sorrows with different colors of masalas from the masala box in her kitchen.
Wow,
and never shows off the pain of loneliness that she suffers.
Wow, this is just amazing. Just good. just amazing. Took my heart.
Thank
Very
you.
beautiful.
Thank you, Monica. Thank you.
I think Ritu, Ambika, Ranjana Bansalji, and Alka Mishra, they really loved it. Jagjeet Sabharwal.
Thank you, everyone.
They loved it.
Hey,
Anupa
hi.
is
Good to
there.
see you,
Tarun
Jagjeet
is
here.
there. Yeah, thank you so much, Vishalika. Thank you so much who have been part of this live show, and really we appreciate it. Anju Parihar, thank you so much for being a part of this little effort that we have started. So next, Ritu, what next for us?
So as you know, from college time, I used to write a lot of shairi. I have continued that. So you can say I'm a romantic shair also. So I'll narrate, and I think many will who follow me would know that I write a lot on aankhein. So I will narrate few of my shairis also here, and in the last I'll take up my other poems. Fine. So हसरतों की मानो तो सब जायज है, हसरतों की मानो तो सब जायज है, जमाना कहता है इश्क नाजायज है, जमाना कहता है इश्क नाजायज है, पर दिल ने कहाँ सुनी है किसी की, पर दिल ने कहाँ सुनी है किसी की, इसे तो सिर्फ तेरे प्यार की ही ख्वाहिश है.
वाह, beautiful, beautiful.
Can I have that round of applause, please?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next one. जज्बात मेरे उनको दिखे नहीं, आंसू अंदर ही बस बहते रहे, दिल बातें उनसे करता रहा जो उनको कभी सुनी नहीं.
वाह.
आंखों ने एक दिन की कोशिश, सब कहानी कह दी एक ही पल, अंजाम का डर तब था नहीं, दिल पे इख्तियार उनके भी अब रहा नहीं.
वाह, beautiful again.
So another one for आंखें. आज फिर पड़ा वही जो उन आंखों में था, आज फिर पड़ा वही जो उन आंखों में था, लेकिन आज फिर ना कह सका वही जो चला था कहने उनसे.
वाह, beautiful, 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 and beautiful. And मुझे लगता है आज के टाइम में आंखें have become more important because rest of the face is covered with mask. So जो
oh yeah, right.
आंखों
से ही बोलिए.
So अभी आंखों की poetry has become more relatable.
Yes, true. जैसे कि हर्फ हार गए आज, आंखें बाजी मार गई, बस वही है आज.
बहुत सुंदर.
Okay, last one on आंखें I will say.
Yes.
So I don't know if somebody has most of the things I have taken from Mirakyone, people would have read it, but still few are my favorites, so I will just read out those.
Why not? Why not?
Okay, I will skip the आंखें one, but I'll talk one in Punjabi which I had written. ठीक है?
Yes.
क्योंकि पंजाबी है तो एक आधा पंजाबी भी हो जाए. ठीक है?
I would love to, yeah.
Okay. दिल विच हुक जही उठदी है, याद तेरी जद आंदी है, दिल विच हुक जही उठदी है, याद तेरी जद आंदी है, इंज लगदा मौसम सावन दा इस वल वेख वेख के हसदा है, बहुत ही तरसांदा है तद अखां विचों हंजू वग वग आंदे ने, बस तैनू ही बुलांदे ने, बस तैनू ही बुलांदे ने.
वाह. Bale from my side and Gitanjali too.
Okay, thank you, Gitanjali.
Beautiful.
So tell me what next.
बहुत बढ़िया, तुसी साडा दिल जीत लिया.
Thank you.
Vasudha is here. Thank you, Vasudha, for joining.
Hey, hi, Vasudha. So next I would say that आज की ये चीज जो हम दोनों मतलब बहुत सालों के बाद आमने सामने ऐसे बैठे हैं जहाँ पे हम बहुत सारी बातें कर रहे हैं. On anyways, video chats and all are different.
Yeah.
So उसके लिए मैं बोलूँगी.
Yeah, we have video chats. Thankfully.
Thankfully, yeah. So बुझते चिरागों को देखकर बरबस एक ख्याल आया है, आखिर वो गुजरा जमाना फिर लौट कर कभी वापस क्यों नहीं आया है.
अरे
तो
वाह,
ये कॉलेज के हॉस्टल के दिन याद करते हुए
ब्यूटीफुल
मैं आपको फिर से डेडिकेट करती हूँ.
beautiful times. And abhi, if I think, Ritu, when we used to hold some parties, when in farewell parties, मुझे नहीं याद आता how we used to find those poetries. हम लिखते तो थे नहीं, we used to search it, but there were no Google. पता नहीं हम कैसे search करते थे, how we studied, how we passed our engineering. Now if we think about it, it seems like how we did it. So, but
Yeah,
that time
right.
was a beautiful nostalgic time, really.
True. Yes. So अभी
We miss you at Miraki Geet too much. I really miss you. Okay, Ritu, what's next for our viewers?
So there's one more favorite poem of mine that is an English one. So I'll just narrate that one. It goes like this: I am an abundant book. So this got inspired by looking at myself like some years ago I was this and now I am this. So everybody can relate to it, I'm sure. So I want you to start reading me from the end towards beginning. So when you pick up me as a book, if I am a book, so if you pick me up to read, start reading from the last page. Because my days were sad and lonely when I wrote the last few pages. So you have to flip pages in reverse to really know me, myself. You will get to know how my life took so many different turns, what went wrong in my life or what went really right. How I was a zephyr of love, hope and happiness were my buddies. Life was full of fun and was beautiful, which changed over the years though. That is how you will get to know and will never judge me anymore. So
Wow.
that's it.
You need an applause for this.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, now Ritu, our third section, close
Okay.
and personal.
Oh, डर लग गया.
So I
Yes.
know a lot about you, and but I want our people who are our audience to know more about you. So here we go, close and personal. I think you should be honest.
Okay, I'll try to be.
Okay. Now, Ritu, do you remember what's your favorite hostel memory? Since we have spent just a fantabulous time in hostel, I have many memories in my mind. If I'll start, this show will go till night. But what's your favorite hostel memory?
So as you said, you have many. I too also have many memories, and many relates to you. And so I want to tell everybody that when Monica joined, so it was like we just exchanged a smile and instantly we became friends. But that time we had not much choice because I'll tell you, we were only two girls in the class. So that started like we started talking to each other, but I don't know when they turned into a lifelong friendship. It's like I don't want to wonder because I
was
really
a Ludhiana connection also.
Connection, yeah, and I will not wonder why we became friends, but because we were alike, right?
Yeah.
So we used to have fun together. If you ask me, my favorite one of the memories is like every day morning, Monica will come with one comb in her hand. She had a pretty long hair it was very healthy long hair. So she cannot make her hair do at her own. So she used to come to my ground floor room. So she will come there with a comb, and just before we have to leave for the breakfast, so I'll make her tie one चुटिया and चाहे जितनी भी लड़ाई हो जाए हमारी लेकिन वो आएगी and that will be the patching point for us. So आ गई, हाँ ठीक है. मतलब लड़ाई ज्यादा होती नहीं थी वैसे because she is very क्या बोलते हैं सहनशील. हाँ She has done lot of sahanshilta with me, at least, because I was a season, like I was changing every moment. So she knows my mood swings since then. So तो आती थी वो सुबह, and then we used to that is my favorite memory. And then second one is I used to be in the ground floor, a single room, and she had her room at the top floor. From there, we used to have a good view of the whole I
College.
mean, college.
College.
Yeah,
Yeah.
college, yes. So we used to take our cups, which were alike. So we used to buy together. Whoever will buy, they will buy the cups for both of us. I mean, ये
cups.
buy करेगी या मैं buy करूँगी, 2 cups. And then we used to have another habit of that you already told about the clothes, but we used to have one kada or something that also will be the same. Friendship brands. Yes, yes. Friendship band types of thing. So इसका रूम ऊपर था टॉप फ्लोर पे, तो वहां पे हम लोग खड़े होके रोज शाम को जो हम चाय पीते थे विद द लाउड म्यूजिक. शी हैड अ वेरी गुड स्टीरियो सिस्टम ऑन विच विल पुट, मुझे याद है द मूवी मन, उसके गाने थे. एंड देन ऋषि कपूर की कोई मूवी थी जो मैंने पहली बार तुम्हारे साथ ही वो गाने सुने थे, एंड टिल डेट दोज आर माय फेवरेट वंस. देन गजलें, आई मीन जगजीत सिंह जी की गजलें हमने बहुत सुनी है. आई थिंक यस, वो एक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट था जो हमें खुद भी नहीं पता था कि हम लोग कभी पोइट्री लिखेंगे. सो दोज आर द मेमोरीज आई हैव. सो और शाम को, हर शाम को चाय तो जिस दिन रहती थी, बट लेकिन जिस दिन हम हॉस्टल से शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स जाते थे, वो भी मेरी मेमोरीज. आई मीन टू रिफ्रेशिंग. वो मतलब अभी शाम, आज की शाम भी मुझे लग रहा है कैसे हम भाग के वहां चले जाए with rest of our friends, of course.
Yes. We had a very small cozy group, and I think that was the best
and
part.
Still it is alive.
Still it is.
Yeah, still alive. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, ab do you remember that song, Ritu, for which you really kept me awake the entire night? Next day we had an exam, but like a Google, you search.
You were looking for that song.
Yeah.
I think I
search for it. Search it for me. Otherwise, we won't study, and we didn't study. I think for good 2 hours, we actually had a brainstorming session, remembering that song.
हाँ, मुझे याद है, लेकिन वो सॉन्ग याद करना मुझे 2 मिनट दो. आई रिमेम्बर वो एक मतलब नाइट, वो मुझे याद है जब हमारा नेक्स्ट, आई थिंक थर्मोडायनेमिक्स का पेपर था शायद, राइट? If I'm not wrong,
balcony. I said you go out in the balcony, and then after 2 minutes he came back. नहीं, पहले मुझे सॉन्ग बता, मेरे से पढ़ा नहीं जाएगा. So I had to remember that song somehow.
और मेरा, and I'm not a good singer like her. I cannot even hum the song. Which song I'm asking, even she doesn't know.
No.
So I'm just giving her clues. वो picture ऐसे थी.
She's a better lyricist. She has her own lyrics of every song. Trust me.
Yes. Oh my God, that I think you and my sister only knows that how I make my own lyrics of a very, very known song.
Yeah.
Yes. So I'll tell you, मेरे को वो गाना इतना याद है कि ऐसा एक्चुअली एक आधी बार नहीं, 1-2 बार हुआ है, लेकिन वो जो फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ था वो मुझे याद नहीं है कि वो एग्जैक्टली ये सॉन्ग था. 2 सॉन्ग्स मुझे याद आ रहे हैं. एक तो चंदारे था और एक चंदन सा बदन. मतलब दोनों में से कोई एक है, मुझे याद नहीं वो कौन सा. तुम बताओगी.
चंदारे and चंदन सा बदन is also a long story. It was a thermodynamics paper, and both of us, we were not very fond of getting and ready up. We were very simple, just a choti and a chunni.
Yes.
And then we used to go to the college. That night, something actually got hold of us. We put Chandan face pack on our faces. We talked till see wee hours of the night. Next day was thermodynamics paper. Thermodynamics means history. Like, it's such a tough subject, and the paper came out such tough, and we came out of the science block. Ritu came out from the other section. We looked at each other, and both of us started laughing. singing the
Yeah.
song Chandan Sabadan. Yes, everybody was puzzled. Are these girls gone crazy or something? But that was such a beautiful part of our hostel life. I still can't forget that moment.
Yes. आई नो सी मैंने फिर से गलत बोला मैंने मैंने वो सॉन्ग को बोला थर्मोडायनेमिक्स का पेपर टर्मिनल लाइक मुझे सच में याद नहीं रहता है लेकिन इंसिडेंट्स याद रहते हैं लेकिन वो एक एक छोटा छोटा डिटेल नहीं याद रहे बट शी इज गॉट अ स्प्लेंडेड मेमोरी आई मीन नोबडी कैन बीट हर दैट आई कैन पुट इट ऑन द पेपर आल्सो
Okay, Ritu, enough of our hostel talks. We all have faced lockdown, which we never dreamt of. Okay, we will ever be in such situation. So, what's your learnings in the lockdown?
Learnings in the lockdown. So, ये थोड़ा सा मतलब एक सच बताऊं तो लॉकडाउन जब से आया है मैं घर से नहीं निकली हूँ ठीक है So learnings as such learnings यही है कि we have to maintain a good healthy lifestyle for which we should do little bit of time investment on us day to day थोड़ा मतलब हम लोग अपने आप को इग्नोर करके निग्लेक्ट करते हैं जब या उसको थोड़ा सा ओवरकम करके हमें अपने आप को थोड़ा टाइम देना चाहिए टू बूस्ट आवर इम्यूनिटी so what else so if you ask me corona आने के बाद I have started keep a watch on everybody's WhatsApp status if I see anyone in a group of people I ask them ये कहाँ पे खींचा था क्यों गए किसके साथ गए why did you not wear the mask all these things I'm keeping a watch so if you ask I give lot of gyan to people nowadays that is so if I see any of my colleague in a set among set of people so मैं उनको पूछती हूँ कि ये घर पे था cousins के घर पे क्यों गए कैसे गए why did you go all this kind of gyan I give it to them so I think the only thing I would say that we should maintain a very healthy lifestyle
yeah very true and we got close to our family also since we got so much time along with them so even okay Ritu we want to hear one or two more of your poetries since enough of talking we did
Sure I'll just pick up one kavita from my Hindi section so which was part of one of the book that we did Nib Stars by Shreya Kanodia so
Nib Stars we did
you remember even I think Poonam was also part of it
yes
so this is about मतलब एक पेड़ है जिसको मैंने सोचा है कि पेड़ कुछ सोच के बात कर रहा है मुझसे तो उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मैंने लिखा जिसको कोई काट रहा है उसके बारे में है ये एक अजब गजब सी दास्तान आज तुम्हें मैं सुनाती हूँ एक अजब गजब सी दास्तान आज तुम्हें मैं सुनाती हूँ जो है अत्यंत दयनीय वही कहानी मैं बताती हूँ इट्स आई मीन स्टोरी टेलिंग टाइप सो बट लेकिन मैं इसको कविता के रूप में बता रही हूँ एक दिन एक कटते हुए पेड़ ने दुखी होके पूछा कि क्या पाप किया मैंने जो काट रहे हो मुझे जरा मेरा कसूर तो बताओ चलता है जोर तुम्हारा मुझ बेजुबान पे ही चलता है जोर तुम्हारा मुझ बेजुबान पे ही आखिर क्यों आखिर सर कलम उस पापी का तुम करते क्यों नहीं सजा दो उस दरिंदे को जिसने अपनी हवस का शिकार नन्ही कली को बनाया ताकि हो शर्मिंदा वो अपनी करनी पे भी कभी पेड़ रास्ते से हटा के तुम्हें आबाद होना है ऊंचे ऊंचे घरों में पेड़ रास्ते से हटा के तुम्हें आबाद होना है ऊंचे ऊंचे घरों में क्या करोगे ऐसे घरों का जहां बहू बेटियां महफूज ही नहीं
ब्यूटीफुल
सुनकर ये बात पेड़ की गंभीर सोच में हूं मैं पड़ी सुनकर ये बात पेड़ की गंभीर सोच में हूं मैं पड़ी एक पेड़ जो आत्मिक नहीं वो भी क्या बढ़िया सोच रखता है लेकिन प्रवृत्ति देखो मानस की दिल होते हुए भी ऐसा मार्मिक कार्य ये करता है अचंभित हूं मैं भला क्यों कानून से भी ये नहीं डरता है
बहुत सुंदर
बताओ
Very relatable.
So this is,
Very.
yeah.
This is
So this is what I had written it in Midstars, and so कुछ मुझे एक्चुअली मैं रिश्तों पे और थोड़ा ऐसा कुछ इंस्पिरेशनल भी लिखना मुझे बहुत पसंद है. सो मैं उसके बारे में थोड़ी लाइनें जरूर पढ़ना चाहूंगी. रिसेंटली गीतांजलि कपूर की एक बुक आई है स्तोत्रम, जिसमें मैंने ये लाइंस लिखी हैं. टूटेगा रिश्तों का धागा तभी जब तनाव इसमें तुम लाओगे. कलह कलेश से रखो दूर इनको, बस सब्र से इन्हें निभाए जाओ. खींचा तानी तो होगी अक्सर मगर ना टूटेगा ये धागा तब तक. प्यार से ढील देकर ध्यान से निभाते जाओगे जब तक.
beautiful.
कभी जब खुद को तुम दूसरे से बढ़कर समझोगे, टूटेगा यकीनन ये धागा और अकेले बस रह जाओगे. रिश्ते हैं रहने दो रिश्ते ही इनको, रिश्ते हैं रहने दो रिश्ते ही इनको, ना इसमें अहम को लाओ कभी. बस मिलजुल कर हंसते खेलते इस जिंदगी को बिताओ सभी.
Beautiful.
और टाइम है हमारे पास, तो आई विल रीड आउट 1 or 2 more.
हाँ, you can.
Okay, this is actually one प्रार्थना, that is again part of स्तोत्रम. मन रहता है दुविधा में दिन भर, विचार नहीं रहते मेरे अधीन. करती हूँ मैं व्यर्थ ही क्यों चिंता, बोलो ना मेरे प्रिय ईश्वर. शरीर है नाशवान आत्मा अमर, भली भांति जानती हूँ मैं, लेकिन फिर भी क्यों जन्म मरण के चक्कर से भयभीत हूँ मैं. अपने कर्मों का फल भोगूंगी ये जानती हूँ मैं, क्यों फिर भी सांसारिक दुखों से घबराती हूँ मैं. देख हर तरफ कलह दरिद्रता, नयनों में भर जाते हैं अश्रु. हृदय मेरा हो जाता करुणा में, कटते नहीं रात और दिन. किससे कहूँ अपने मन की व्यथा, कौन सुनेगा मेरी पुकार. तुम बिन कौन है मेरा, सुन लो विनती मेरे हे भगवान. थैंक यू.
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर. Too good. Too good. Every poem you spoke today, Ritu, that's so heartfelt, so heartfully beautiful. Maybe it's an English poem, maybe it's an Hindi poem, and your Punjabi poem, not to forget that. And would like to thank Laughing Soul Geet. Thanks for being a constant support today. And thanks Ambika, Anubhav, Sheena, Anjali. Thank you for being here for today. And Ritu, what else?
So maybe I'll just read out something on life.
Yeah.
So I would say, story of your life is always dear to you. Nobody has the idea what you went through. Save your story to read when you feel low. This will help you to revive and again glow. So मैं सोचती हूँ कि everybody comes out of whatever जो भी मुश्किलों से वो उभर के आता है, और वो स्टोरी को उसको सेव करके रखना चाहिए. अपने उन क्षणों को याद करना चाहिए उस समय जब तुम लो फील करते हो. So those things I have penned. Yeah.
So I think audience must have learned something, must have got some inspiration out of this beautiful lady. That's why I say that interviews or talk shows are not only for big celebrities. Everybody is a celebrity. Everybody has a story, an inspiring story. That's what the motive of this live show. I'll just invite all of my Instagram family, little family, who have the will, who have the zeal, who have come out of the inhibitions and have proved themselves out here. So first of all, I would like to thank you, Ritu, for becoming the part of the my very first guest at my show.
I'm obliged, actually. I told you should invite somebody else, but she really wanted me to be part of it because of the obvious reasons. Everybody knows that.
Yeah, I can't even think of anybody else than you to start this show.
And I'm so happy. yeah, I'm so happy and blessed that most of the people who know us as both of us as poets, they know our life history also by now because we have been very open.
Yeah, we are the ultimate drama queens. We have our stories written on walls everywhere.
True. So can I say last में कुछ
Yeah.
friendship के ऊपर?
Yes, 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 yes.
ठीक है?
We'd love to.
Uh, yes. So for everybody, friendship is important. If
Yes, yes,
whether it is, I mean, they have good or old or bad, sorry, good or bad memories, but friendship is like something everybody will cherish. So friendship word has many meanings. Some are known to us since childhood, while few we learn from lifelong experiences. For some, it starts with exchange of a smile, like me and you.
yeah,
For some, with a healthy long chat for a while.
yes,
Some become close when feel secured. Some make friends just to have fun and realize they are actually alike. For some, companionship is the only meaning of friendship. For some, their life depends on a relationship with this one being, like for
yes,
me, you.
yeah,
Whatever may be your friendship story, just always remember friends are to keep and treasured
yes,
forever.
yes. This is for everyone's
So,
friendship. And God bless our friendship, which is obviously more than a 2 decade old friendship. And I
yes,
really,
true.
really, and it's really very, very close to my heart. This girl has my heart. Everybody knows that, and she also knows that. Um, okay, Ritu, before we end this show, message for our audience.
Okay, like already I said about one thing that we should follow a very healthy lifestyle. Plus, I think water is one thing which everybody should save. उसके ऊपर भी मैंने 2-3 लाइंस लिखी है मैं जाते जाते जरूर पढ़ूंगी but I think maintain a healthy lifestyle
Yeah,
and boost your immunity because corona is going to be here for some
yes,
more time
for a long
so
time.
till yeah so we have to really take care of ourselves and our family so make good dishes at home stop eating outside food so and plus and uh, I mean, purposefully keep a watch that how you use water. So that is one thing which I would say. And उसके ऊपर 2 लाइनें पढ़ के पक्का पक्का मैं और नहीं पढ़ने वाली हूँ. Okay, इस
We love
दुनिया
it,
से
Ritu.
एक दिन हमेशा हाँ इस दुनिया से एक दिन हमेशा के लिए जब जाओगे सोचो आने वाली पीढ़ी को कैसा पर्यावरण देकर तुम जाओगे बूंद बूंद को तरसेंगे वो जो व्यर्थ नीर तुम अब बहाओगे खुद तो साफ पानी से घर को पोंछते हो उनको क्या पीने के लिए भी कुछ देकर जाओगे
Ah, beautiful.
यही एक मैसेज आई वांट टू गिव एंड
Very,
दिस इज
very, very, uh, very good
from
message, I
book
think. Yeah.
so this was from the book from Poonam Taneja which I was part of that is Bounded as Us.
Yeah.
So few of the books I wanted to name because I was really blessed to be part of those. If you allow me, I'll want to say these beautiful writers like Poonam, Gitanjali, Nidhi. So I have worked very closely with them in few of their anthologies and thank you for always including me in your anthologies. Yeah. So this
Yeah.
also as a platform, I want to use it to thank everybody.
Yeah, we are very fortunate that at Meraki we found some real great, good people who have been now
Yeah.
friends with us, and
Yes.
really fortunate. For you, I always thank God. I think 10 times a day.
Same here.
So once again, thank you so much, Ritu, for being a part of my show and being my first guest. Thank you so much. Your
Thank you.
poems were really delightful. Your presence, always a pleasure for me. And your words are really precious, like pearls. So
Thank you, Monica. Thanks for inviting me.
once again, thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. Okay, friends, with this, we are taking a leave, and we'll wait for your suggestions, your views. How do you like it? Your viewpoints. Anything more we can add to this show, because it will continue. If you people will follow us, then we are going to continue it for sure. So anything, any inputs that you want to give, we are more than welcome to have it. If you want to be a part of it, do not hesitate to DM. Thank you so much. Thank you for all my live audience. Thank you for supporting both of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Yeah, okay, bye.
Good evening. Bye. Bye.